Question 30C. A school playground consists of part of a circle with centre O and a rectangle as shown in the diagram. The radius OB of the circle is 45 metres. The width BC of the rectangle is 20 metres and angle AOB is 100 degrees. What is the area of the whole playground? Correct to the nearest square metre. So if we look at this shape a little bit more closely, we can see that we have a sector, sort of the major sector here. We have a triangle component, and we also have a rectangular component there. So to find the area of the sector, that's sort of fairly easy. Okay, we can see here that we actually need this angle here. Okay, and that's going to be 260 degrees, since angles at a point add up to 360. The rectangle, in order to find that, we need length DC, which we don't have. Now the triangle AOB, we can use the sine rule for area of a triangle. That's the half AB sine C. So that's easy enough. But in order to answer the question completely, we need length AB, which is equal to length DC, so we can find the area of this rectangular part there. Now, to find AB, there's one of two ways we can do this. We can either use the cosine rule, since we have two sides, or two known sides, and an included angle, and that's fairly easy. Or you could split this triangle down the middle. Because it's an isosceles triangle, when you split the triangle, when you draw a perpendicular, in fact, you can split this triangle into two identical right angle triangles, and you could use just basic right angle trigonometry, and that would work as well. So you have 100 degrees, that will be 50 degrees, 50 degrees. This would be 40 degrees there and 40 degrees there. Since also angle sum of a triangle, okay, has to add up to 180 degrees. And being isosceles, these base angles must be equal. So that's the approach that I'm going to take for this solution. So let's work out AB first, since we need that to be able to really unlock this, this entire question, or to answer it completely. So AB, okay, is equal to, now I might just put a sort of a letter X there, and there's another letter X there, okay. So AB is equal to 2 multiplied by, we need the adjacent side here, don't we? So that's going to be X on 45 is equal to cos of 40. So that's going to be 45 cos of 40. 45 cos of 40 will give you X. 2 times 45 cos of 40 degrees will give you 2X. So it will give you this entire length AB. And that's going to be equal to, in fact, I'll write it on the next line here. So 2 multiplied by 45 cos of 40, and we get 68.94399. I might just write the whole answer, and I'll just do all the rounding at the end. 94399, actually 999, 88. Okay, and that's in meters. Now that we have AB, we can now proceed to answer the question. So area of major sector. Okay. So the fraction of the circle that we have is 260 over 360. Okay, so 260 over 360 multiplied by pi r squared. So pi multiplied by the radius, which is 45 meters, and we're going to square that. Okay. 260 over 360 multiplied by pi multiplied by 45 squared, and we get that answer 4594.579256 square meters. Okay. Now area of triangle AOB. Okay, and we have half AB sine C, so half multiplied by 45 multiplied by 45. So again, the two known sides and the included angle multiplied by sine of 100 degrees. And we'll just put the answer here since I'm just running out of space. Okay, so half multiplied by 45 multiplied by 45 multiplied by sine of 100. And we get 997 with a decimal component. And that's that. And lastly, triangle ABCD. Sorry, rectangle ABCD. Okay, and that's just length times width. Okay, and we have the length already, which is 68.943, and so on. So 68.9439988 multiplied by the width of this rectangle multiplied by 20. Okay, so 68.9439988 multiplied by 20, and that's the area of the rectangle, so 1378.8799998 square meters. Okay, so it would be a mark for this, a mark for that, a mark for this, a mark for this, and then obviously a mark for the correct answer. So total area, okay, is equal to 4594.579256 plus 997.11784999 plus 1378.8799998, and we need to answer to the nearest square meter. Okay, so 4594.579256 plus 997.1178499 plus 1378.8799998, and we get 6970.577 ... Okay, we need to just round it to the nearest square meter anyway, so I don't have to write the entire decimal. So that's equal to 6971 square meters, correct to the nearest square meter.